Morning guys! Today is Wednesday and our language lesson is all about reviewing beginning sounds. I'm going to explain more about beginning sounds in a PowerPoint presentation, which I want you to listen carefully to. Then I'll explain the worksheets to you and help you through some examples. And then you can go and try the worksheets by yourself. When you've finished, you can ask your mom or dad to take a photo of your work and upload it on Class Dojo. When I check your work, I can give you a point. Have fun! Let's review beginning sounds. First, we will look at two examples together, and then I will explain your worksheets to you. The first word we are going to look at is cat. Cat. Can you see the beginning sound for the word cat? Listen carefully. Cat. What does the word cat begin with? The letter K. Cat. The beginning sound is K. Good. Let's have a look at the next word. Rat. Can you see the beginning sound for the word rat? Listen while I say the word rat. What is the beginning sound? Yes, rat. Good job. Let's have a look at the worksheets that we are going to do today. It says write the beginning sound for each word. I will do the first row with you. Can you see the first picture? It is a log. Can you hear the beginning sound in the word log? You will write it in here. Log. Let's do the next one. What is the picture? It is a car. Car. And the next one, say the word hat. Write the sound hat. Good. Now you can do the rest by yourself.